Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk through how to enable pop-up notifications for chats on Messenger. If you've ever missed an important message because the notification didn't appear on your screen, this quick guide will help you fix that. By the end, you'll have chat notifications popping up exactly when you need them. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head straight into your settings. This is where everything begins because the control for notification behavior is managed within your phone's system settings, not just the Messenger app. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it, and then look through the list of installed apps until you spot Messenger. Go ahead and select it. Once you're on the Messenger app settings page, tap on Notifications. Here's where you'll find all the options for how Messenger alerts you when a new message comes in. Inside the Notifications menu, tap on Notification Categories. This is the key step that gives you detailed control over what types of alerts Messenger can show. From here, look for the option labeled Chats and select it. This setting specifically manages notifications for incoming conversations, ensuring you don't miss the messages that matter most. Finally, toggle on Show as Pop-up. Once this is enabled, every time you receive a message, it will instantly pop up on your screen no matter what app you're currently using. This makes staying on top of conversations smoother and much more convenient. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've successfully enabled pop-up notifications for Messenger chats. Now, you'll never have to worry about missing an important message again. If this guide helped you, make sure to adjust any other Messenger notification settings according to your preference, so your alerts work exactly the way you want them to. Thanks for watching.